Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and other good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was a unit that I caught from Amazon. Shout out to Amazon. Like Amazon be coming through with the come through. Shout out to you, boo. Alright y'all, so this unit is by Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline collection. It is in the style Dione, and I do have it in the color DR Chocolate Swirl. It is a 20-inch unit, and yes, she is definitely serving all of the 20 inches, girl. Okay, this is definitely giving me 20 inches. It says it's the Melted Hairline collection, frontal effect hairline, no plucking required, redesigned comfort ear contour. It says baby hair is included, pre-attached elastic band, it's HD transparent lace, and it's 400 degrees heat safe. And on the inside it says soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, girl. Pre-attached wide elastic band, natural baby hairs, redesigned comfort fit, and then on the back it has its special colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this unit looks like on the stock card. Obviously I brushed mine out. You don't have to brush it out if you don't want to. It's your wig, girl. Do what you want to do with your wig, but I did decide to brush it out because I like that sort of fluffy sort of look. So I did decide to brush it out, but if you don't want to brush it out, you can get this effect. And then on the inside, it is showing you guys what the unit looks like in this color, and that color. And I really love that color. You guys know I love me a good blonde. And it says DRFF Chocolate Toffee, DRFF Red Velvet, and DRFF4 Buttered Toast. And those are those colors right here. And then on the back, it has the special colors as well right here. So those are all the special colors with this particular unit. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, honestly, y'all, with this unit, I did not get any shedding. I didn't get any tangling. But I did just take old girl straight out the package. So, girl, do what you want to do with it. Do what you want to do with it. Also, as far as it being big head friendly, I do feel like this unit is big head friendly. But it does have that elastic band. It's not an adjustable one. But I do feel like you could maybe still make it work if you have a smaller head. Just kind of play with it. But I do only have the head that's on my shoulders, and personally I do think that this particular wig is more medium to large head friendly, so definitely keep that in mind. Obviously I didn't do anything to this unit other than put her on. Old girl woke up like this. Okay, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this. It's flawless.
So everything that you see is how she woke up. I didn't do anything other than apply this unit. So yeah, that is pretty much it as far as details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, so I feel like I got this wig from Amazon, but I could have gotten it from Wig Types. I don't know, but this particular unit, I will say the price would be my con, because I don't feel like the units are worth what they are putting them out to be these days. Like for a regular unit that's a lace part wig, and a synthetic, I don't feel like it's worth $40 and $50. I just don't, but that's just me. So y'all can let me know if you think it's worth it, but to me it's definitely not worth it. But let me know down below what you guys think. So that would be my con. My pros is, first of all, I love this color. This color is very reminiscent of my natural hair color, so it makes me like it a whole lot more. I love this color. I love the chocolateness of this unit, and it makes me feel like I can attain my natural hair color. So I really love that about this unit. I also love that I didn't have to do a whole lot to apply this wig. Now, I did have to cut over here, like around the ears. I do have very large ears, so I did have to cut the ear tabs. But as far as the unit as a whole, I really like the unit and I love the style and all of that. So those are my pros. I would recommend this unit depending on your budget. Like if your budget doesn't fit this unit, I would not recommend it. But if your budget does, then I would. I think that this is a great unit to put on, and you're going to get some good wears out of it. And especially if you know how to upkeep your units, then I definitely would recommend this unit. But it's just purely up to you. The price is a little like, but I do feel like overall it is definitely a unit that is worth it. Let me know what you think below, okay? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it. Let me know if you think it's a look, it's a vibe. I am interested in your thoughts and opinions. Please comment down below. And I can't say thank you to anybody, but if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both the IG and TikTok. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Got every style.